Just a quick weather check. Looks like it could be a good day for staying indoors and firing up some steam. And here it is, the Oz Steam Demon modified Jensen 70. The modifications are gas-fired, superheated, 70 with bearings. So unlike a regular Jensen 70, the steam pipe actually exits to the left, pops under the boiler and comes out the other side. I'm not sure if we can see it here, but there's also some extra steam pipes under the boiler. No, I can't pick it up on the camera. So here's some detail of the bearings. It's a double acting piston, and the exhaust comes out through this little exhaust system. Steam comes up the top and any condensate just trickles out the bottom there. So we can just capture that into a container on the side rather than having it spit all over the table. So what I might do is I'll turn the camera off for a moment, fire it up, fuel it up, fire it up, and then be back in a moment. Alright, back again. I don't have gas equipment here, so I'm just using a trusty Mammoth SE3 burner. And you can just see in the flame one of the extra tubes that have been built into the bottom of the boiler just for extra heating. And you might even be able to hear the boiler gurgling as it's warming up. I think that gurgling noise is a result of those extra tubes underneath the boiler. Almost there. And we're off. Certainly a smooth runner at slow speeds. Feeling pretty enthusiastic when you open her up. I just paused the camera for a second because I just wanted to try out an RPM app that was loaded on my mobile phone, but unfortunately it wasn't taking a reading, so I'll have to have a play with that at some stage later on and see if I can't work out how to get it to work. But there we go. This is the Oz Steam Demon modified Jensen 70. Still quite an impressive engine. Hope you enjoyed the video.